What is that Eva doing to you? Did she give you the hiccup? She's a meanie.
Oh, you're so cute. You're looking at me like I can help you stop, but I can't. I could scare you, but I don't want to.
Boo! Boo!
It's Halloween time.
Aww.
Oh, baby girl. How do you get a baby to stop hiccuping?
Aww.
We're laughing at your expense. We're just cracking up here.